Karbi Anglong, straight from Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club. Today on 8th of November, we are taking an initiative cleanliness drive to Paklongklam waterfall. Initiative by Karbi Anglong Motorcycle Club. So here is our boys doing hard work, cleaning all the dirt. So I request the visitors, tourists to please maintain this beautiful place. Here is our vice chief, Sanju, and then brother. Here is the founder chief. So I appeal the visitors to
civic sense. Come civic sense.
okay.
Visit everywhere with civic sense,
Yes.
so that people won't complain.
Yes. Kalang.
We Indians have to protect our visa and passport. Yes. So civic sense.
Cooking is also chalu. Everything is chalu. This is the big guy. Oh, thank you.